Listen, 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 listen. Don't judge me. Okay, this is hard. Hello? What do you do when you have overly ripe bananas? First thing, take them away from your face. You make banana bread, right?
So predictable.
Or why don't you try something different? Why don't we try to get a little creative? Because I know you're sick of banana bread. I'm sick of banana bread. You're a neighbor. So we're gonna make banana cake with chocolate chips and peanut butter frosting. So this time I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you guys the vegan version of this recipe, but I'll also include the substitutes for non-vegan ingredients so everybody can make this recipe, and it's such an easy, all the ingredients are very easily substituted, so it's not a big deal. Whatever you have in your kitchen. Let me get to baking before these bananas literally disintegrate. Okay, so let's get started on our ingredients. Let's go over those. We have our flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, vegan buttermilk or regular buttermilk, brown sugar, flaxseed eggs or regular eggs, bananas, vegan chocolate chips, vanilla, and some canola oil, and sugar. All right. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take care of these babies. Oh, I can't wait. I've been watching them. Damn it. Look at how resilient they are. I mean, you'd think that they would just like fall apart, but I have to be careful peeling them, but they are still, there's a beautiful color. The bananas themselves aren't brown, just the skin. The longer that you wait for your bananas to ripen, the sweeter they're going to be, the more perfect they're going to be for baking. So these are real perfect. Okay, to these bananas we're going to add our oil, buttermilk. Yeah. To make vegan buttermilk, all you have to do is use lemon juice, nut milk, stir, and you have vegan buttermilk. Easy. Our flax seed eggs, vanilla. That's a lot of vanilla. And our sugar. White sugar, brown sugar. All right, that's it. Okay, we're gonna mix it. On low. Start on low. That is thoroughly combined. Move this over here and just combine our dry ingredients real easy. We got our flour, baking soda, and salt, and cinnamon. So you combine your dry ingredients. Hi, Figgy. Hi. Okie dokie. And then we're just gonna, that's rude. Okay, and we're gonna slowly add our dry ingredients to the batter. Just do a little bit over here. Start with this. All right, we don't want to overmix this batter, so I'm going to do the rest by hand. I'm going to take our rubber spatula and fold in these mini vegan chocolate chips. This is going to be good. It really smells like banana ice cream with chocolate chips in it, and this is just really quick to put together. I didn't realize how fast this was going to be. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. The little specks from the banana and the cinnamon and chocolate chips. Okay, we're good. Folded. So my oven is at 350 degrees, and I'm going to use my 10-inch round cake pan. But I'm going to prep this. Should have done it beforehand, but hold on. Oh. Gonna just put this over a baking sheet so that if anything like comes out, it doesn't end up at the bottom of my oven. I'm gonna spray the pan. I'm thinking I should also flour my pan too. Don't show that. Nobody needs to know how many bags of chips I have. I don't know if this is like, I don't know if we even... Okay, and so we have our greased, this is heavy, and floured pan. Now I'm gonna put, this is it. I'm gonna put it in there. Woo! That's it, right? Okay, that's it. I can't believe it's this easy. I'm just like, is there anything else I could do? Did I do something wrong? Figgy, are you here to help me? Right when I'm done. Perfect. Yeah, you still get the points. She's my assistant. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 40 minutes. Take it out, make our frosting, frost it. Okay. See ya. Start a timer. And we'll be back. Okay, so the cake took about 45 minutes. I checked at 40 minutes and it was still a little bit wet in the middle. I took it out and I just actually popped it in the freezer to cool it a little bit quicker. And while we're waiting for the cake to cool, we're gonna make our frosting. All right, so let's go over these ingredients for the frosting. It's pretty simple. You got vegan butter or regular butter, powdered sugar, peanut butter, salt, coconut cream or heavy cream, regular heavy cream, vanilla, and we have some more vegan chocolate chips that we're gonna put on top of our cake when it's all frosted for garnish. Oh, keep that to the side for now. So let's get started. We're basically gonna put almost every ingredient in a bowl and combine that. Powdered sugar carefully. This is, oh, now it's gonna get messy. I just need to accept that. Our salt, the vegan butter, then the peanut butter. All right. Nope, a little bit more. Oh, and a little vanilla. I'm gonna just use the cap here, okay? And we're gonna leave our cream for last. So I'm just gonna take our mixer. Okay, this is terrifying. Start on low. Okay, not that bad. We didn't get an explosion. And we just want to combine this. Thoroughly combine. Now we're gonna put, okay, my arm hurts. Now we're gonna put our cream, lovely, and we're gonna mix this on a high speed so we can whip everything. Super fluffy, baby. Tastes good. Cool. That's a nice color. All right. So we're gonna take the cake out. All right, look at that. Take a little cake plate and because we're gonna frost on it. So this makes me nervous. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Bob, right? Help me. Easy stuff. Okay, that is. Wait a minute. This is not an upside down cake. Alright, it's fine. This is what we're gonna do. So listen. Alright. What am I even doing? Easy. So we can cut that to make that look like I have things a little more together, okay?
Nope.
Look at this gorgeous beauty. I mean, let's get the frosting. Look, that is nice and whipped. I love this texture. Okay, just gonna put a couple dollops to start. Okay, we're all frosted here. So we are just gonna garnish. I decided I'm gonna do the top. Let's try it. Let's just do this sort of randomly. Let's see how. Oh, these are really cute. The mini ones. The mini ones look cute. Looks cute on camera. He looks so good on camera. Gonna grab a plate here and slice in. It feels really moist. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's taste test this vegan, but it doesn't have to be vegan, banana chocolate chip cake with peanut butter frosting. This is how you use your overripe bananas. Way more interesting than banana bread. Wow. That's so good. There's definitely a richness to this cake that beats banana bread out of the beats it out of the park. Beautiful combination. Peanut butter, chocolate, and banana. You guys have to try this. It's really quick, surprisingly quick to make. Easy, yummy, happens to be vegan. Thanks guys for watching. I had a lot of fun making this one. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you can check out the next video when it comes out. I feel so accomplished. I'm so into just like using what you have in the kitchen and being creative with it, thinking what flavors pair together and take the chance and do something. And then when it turns out really good, it's just so satisfying, and the more and more you bake, the more you know. So the more your experiments actually turn out well. And Big really wants some peanut butter. Biggie's never tried peanut butter before, so I think that today's the day.
Love her, Piggy.